Hey guys, my name is Chetan Nori and today we're gonna review the Atom ROM for Galaxy S4 I9500. And first of all, let's get into settings. And as you can see, this looks just like the Galaxy S4 or Lollipop settings. You have all the connection settings right over here. You have the sounds and notification settings right over here. You can hide the notification while logged, or you can show the notifications, and you can set the settings right over here. You have the display settings, and let's get into wallpapers. And the ROM comes with some custom wallpapers as well as some of the Note 4, Note 5 wallpapers, I guess. This is from the Note 4, I guess. And let's get out of it. And you have the torchlight settings right over here. You have the brightness settings. You have the automatic brightness settings. And you have the smart stay. You have the reading mode. You have the daydream. And you also have the LED indicator. I usually turn off the low battery indication. And let's get into lock screen. You have basic 4 lock screens: swipe, pattern, pin, password, and of course the none. And you can also set up the informations you want to see on the lock screen. And you also have the unlocking effects, quite a bit of them. And you have the ink in water. Let's try that. And this is the ink in water. And you also have the charging effects, which I personally don't use. And let's get out of it. And you also have the multi-window settings, which comes with the Samsung devices. And you also have the festival effects, which I don't use. And you also have the notification settings, which you can change around according to your needs. And you have the voice control. You have the motion adjusters from Samsung, air views, toolbox and all. You have the private mode as well. Let's go next, and we're gonna set up a pin. And let's set 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, and let's turn this on. And it doesn't seem to be working right now. Let's get out of it. And you also have the account settings over here. You can add many accounts here. And you have the cloud settings. You have the reset. You have the easy mode, which turns your phone into easy mode, which has a simpler home screen and contacts over there as well, and the applications over there as well. And you have the accessibility settings right over here. You have the vision settings. You can change the font size. You have the magnification gestures. You have the notification reminder. You have the negative colors, and you have the color inversions as well, which doesn't seem to be working. And you have the hearing settings right over here. I always turn on the flash notifications. Let's turn it on and cancel that. And you also have the mono audio settings right over here. And I think that's it with the accessibilities. And you also have the users right over here. You can change it to, you can create many accounts right over here. And you also have the one-handed operation. You can reduce the screen size. Let's try that. I've never been able to use that, and it just worked. And let's get out of it. And you have the one-handed input as well. You have the side key panels. You have the safety assistance as well. And you have the power saving modes. Let's get into power saving mode, and let's turn on the power saving mode. You have the restrict performance. This is the settings from the S4, I guess. And you can also restrict the background data. You have the grayscale mode, and you also have the ultra power saving mode, which comes in very handy. Let's go into that. And it shows the estimated standby time, which is not correct, I guess. It shows 10 days. Let's turn up the brightness. And you can add applications right over here, either from here, and you can also add more applications here by using the by using the UPSM manager. And let's get out of it. But ultra power saving modes saves a lot of battery. And you have the storage settings, security settings, and you have the application manager, and you also have the application permissions. You can change the application permissions. And let's go into about device. You have the system updates, and you can see the device name is Galaxy S4, and the Android version is 5.0.2. the kernel is Voltec kernel, build number is Atom ROM, and the kernel is permissive. So let's get out of it and let's get into apps right now. And this is the phone app, which is same as the S4 Lollipop. And you also have the contacts app, you have the messaging app, and you have the internet app, same from the Galaxy S4, I guess. Let's exit that and let's get into more applications. You have the camera application, which is same as that of S4. You have the picture-in-picture mode, and this icon right over here shows that the voice controls are active, and there are many settings right over here. And you also have the effects here. You can change it into selfie mode. You have modes right over here. Let's get out of it. And you have the video application, you have the clock application from the S4 as well. And you have the S Planner. S Planner is really great because it shows holidays as well. And the calculator app, you have already seen the settings. The My File app, which is from the, I guess, the S5. And you have the Google app, you have the voice search, you have the Play Store, you have the Google settings, you have the download, you have the gallery app, you have the music app. Music app, let's try. I think it's from the Galaxy S6, which is nice and beautiful. And let's get into Smart Manager from the Galaxy S6 as well. And as you can see, the RAM usage is quite high. It's about 81%. And let's get out of it. You have the UPSM manager, which is used to add applications into the ultra power saving mode. And you also have the voice recorder, and it also comes with the Viper for Android, which is a great application for modulating the sound in your phone. And the option key works as an option key in this ROM. And you have all the S4 settings here, and also the S6 settings, I guess. And you have the side key extra, I guess. You have the download booster, you have the ultra power saving mode. And let's get out of it. And let's get into settings. You have the wallpaper settings, you have the widget, you can add widgets right over here. And you have the home screen settings, you have the transition effects, and you have the themes, which you can download it from the Samsung store. You need to have a Samsung account for them. The ROM is really fast and quick, and as you can see that the ROM is really fluidic. And the only thing I am experiencing, which is that the phone is really hot right now and it is warming up. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.